Hello friends, in this session we are going to learn how to install Node.js on our window. So let's start. Here I open Firefox browser and here I will check the Node.js download. Okay, so here nodejs.org, this is the official website. Click on this download Node.js. And see here I want to install for the Windows. If you have to install Mac, then you click on this. Okay, so I want to install this window. For that, click on this and automatically this file is downloaded. So here I have already downloaded this file. That's why I open this setup, Node.js setup, and here welcome to Node.js setup wizard. So click on this next button, and here we have to accept these terms and license agreement. Click on this checkbox and next. Here this is a part of the Node.js install C drive. In the C drive program files Node.js. If you want to change this path, then from here you can change this, but I keep it as it is and click on next. And here automatically install these features: Node.js runtime, core pack manager, npm package manager, online document shortcuts, add to path. Click on next button. If you have to install automatically necessary tools, okay, then click on this checkbox. I don't want to install automatically necessary tools, that's why I keep it as it is. So click on next and install it. So it's take few minutes. As and here it's installing Node.js. Wait for the few minutes for that installing Node.js. Copying file, new files here. Okay, now it's completed Node.js setup wizard. Then click on this finish. And we have to check here from the command prompt. Open this, let me open this command prompt and see using this node space -v, we can check version of the node. So see here version of the Node.js 18.15.0. So in this way we can install the Node.js on Windows. So thank you for the watching video.